Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone is ready. Update MIUI and confirm your Redmi Note 13 Pro is on a supported build. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Dynamic Island and toggle it on. Grant notification and overlay permissions when prompted. Next, pick the default behaviors you want visible: calls, media, timers, and run a quick test with a song or a phone call to verify the island appears and responds. Now you dig into customization. Open Dynamic Island app list and select which apps can push events to the island so you only get useful alerts. Then refine visuals, change animation speed, bubble size, and what a tap versus a long press does, because those choices affect how fast you can act on notifications. Make sure to enable the required accessibility and floating window permissions so the island can capture input and show persistent controls without being blocked by other apps. Finish by validating real use cases. Start a timer, accept an incoming call, play music and check navigation prompts to confirm the island handles multi-event priorities correctly. Make sure Do Not Disturb and battery optimization exemptions won't block notifications. Add the Dynamic Island service to protected apps if needed. If it misbehaves, restart the phone, force stop, and reopen the Dynamic Island service. Then reset the features settings and re-grant permissions. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.